Logan? What is that? Don't throw it away. Can you put it back? What is it, hon? Is that your coloring book? Is that your car's coloring book? Huh? What is it? Car? Is Mater in there? Huh? Is Mater in there, honey? Logan? Look at Mom. What is that? What is it? Huh? Go tell Mom. Go tell Mom. What is it?
Los Angeles International Speedway. Tickets to this race are hotter than a black letter C on a hot summer day. The King, Chick X, and Lightning McQueen. Winner takes all.
Where's Mater?
You know I got a lot of miles on winning. Let me tell you something, buddy. I never thought I'd see anything like this. Woo! Man, this is exciting.
In fact, the country is almost shut down to watch what many experts are calling the race of the century.
Hey, King. Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man.
Well, yeah, you want to do the
Oh, you're not supposed to do that. Daddy's gonna get mad at you. You're gonna ruin the speaker.